I'll be showing you how to install an Eclipse on Windows 11. So you have to search for Eclipse first on browser and Eclipse and download. So just click on the first link here and download the Eclipse IDE. But before guys, if you haven't installed the Java yet, please install that first. You can download and install the Java JDK and just search for Java JDK download and go to Oracle and just install the Java JDK file from here. So you can click on this file to download. Or first of all, you have to choose the Windows and download this file and install on your system. After installing it, you have to set the environmental variable for it. So let me download this first file, Eclipse file. And once your JDK file has been installed, you just need to install it on your system, and installation is pretty straightforward, and hope you do that. And once installed, now you have to install set up the environmental variable for the Java as well. So you have to search for environmental variable and click on it. Go to environmental variable, and first of all, under the system variable, you have to select the path and click on edit. Now guys, you have to open the installation folder of Java. Go to C drive, go to folder where the Java is installed, go to Java, go to JDK, go to bin folder and paste it. Copy the path of this folder and go back to here and click on new and paste it here with bin. Remember, with bin. And since I have already added here, so I don't need to do that. You can see at above I've already added that, so I can cancel out. Now once you add the path, now you have to use the user variable. Click on new and enter the name as Java underscore home and go back to folder, bin folder, and just come out of the bin folder and copy the path of JDK and paste it here and click on OK. Since you can see that I have already added the variable Java home, so I don't need to do that. So you have to click on OK and you are done with the environmental setup. You just need to open the command cmd and search for Java version. Java version, and you can see it will show you the Java version which is installed on your system. Once you're done with this, now hope our Eclipse file has been downloaded. So it is a 123 MB. Let it first install, download, and have to wait for it. So two files are needed. First is JDK and the other is Eclipse. So Eclipse basically is the IDE and which allow you to edit your program and run your compile your program to see if there's any error and execute your program. So once it is done, so now click on the the downloaded file to install it. Now click on Eclipse IDE for the Java developer and click on install. And it will automatically choose the JDK folder. So you don't have to do anything. Just click on next, install, and the installation will start. So once it is guys installed, now you can click on launch to launch your IDE. So I can close this one. So now you have to choose the folder where you want your project must be, and you just click on launch to open the Eclipse IDE. So if you want to do dedicated programming, Java programming, then you guys must install this Eclipse IDE. So this is our first example, and it open with the hello world as well. We just need to run this code. To run, we basically need to click on the run and click on run again, and you can see the output is hello world. If you do not install the JDK, it will not allow you to run the Java program inside the Eclipse. So make sure you have installed the JDK before going for this Eclipse. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.